Picture this. In under a minute, you paste a prompt and GPT draws a complete 6-lesson microcourse. Objectives, 7-minute video scripts, slide headings, a workbook page, and quiz questions. I'm Marcus Chen. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode HW3. In the next minute, you'll get the exact prompts and the compact stock to ship one of these in a weekend.
Curious. Wait, under a minute and it's market ready? That's a sharp hook, but I want listeners to hear the safety rails too.
Absolutely. Speed with a guardrail. Here's the promise. Ship a single Evergreen microcourse in a weekend, reach a reliable $500 to $2,000 per month as a solo nomad, and keep maintenance to 1 to 2 hours weekly. But that number isn't magic. It comes from focused niche targeting, quick validation, and a tiny human QA routine.
I'm not sure I buy that $500, $2,000 claim without ongoing support. If most content is AI generated, how do you avoid refunds and angry students?
Fair pushback. The short answer? A 15-30-minute human edit per lesson, original examples from your experience, and a remediation-first refund policy. That tiny edit converts generic drafts into your voice. It's the difference between a product people trust and one they refund, right?
Right. Small human time, big reputation payoff. So how do people pick a niche that actually converts?
Use a tight formula. Narrow topic, measurable outcome, paying audience. Don't teach productivity, teach Asana templates that cut remote design kickoff time by 40%. That specificity tells buyers exactly what changes for them.
Got it. And validate fast, please. No building without demand.
Exactly. 3 quick validation prompts you can run in 15 minutes. First, ask the AI for 10 niche communities where your audience gathers. Second, draft 5 short social posts that invite people to a paid $5 test. Third, create a one-click checkout for that $5 test and an instant delivery link. If at least one person buys in 48 hours, you've moved from idea to signal.
Love the paid test concept. Quick paying signals beat vanity metrics every time. Also, add a short FAQ and a clear refund policy to that checkout. It reduces confusion and chargebacks.
Good note. Include a one-line refund rule in the checkout copy. Now, when you build, use these 2 core prompts. First, the blueprint prompt. Draft a 6-lesson microcourse for target audience on narrow topic. For each lesson, provide a 2-sentence goal, a 3-bullet script for a 7-minute video, 5 slide headings with speaker notes, 3 multiple-choice quiz questions, and a 1-page workbook exercise. Second, the voice prompt, rewrite the scripts in a friendly, actionable voice for solo entrepreneurs. Include 1 short personal anecdote per lesson and a closing CTA to a 15-minute paid strategy call. Run them together to get a full pocket you can human edit quickly.
Quick copyright guard. Add this line to the blueprint prompt. Use public domain examples where possible. Flag any content that looks like a verbatim excerpt and suggest paraphrases. That reduces plagiarism risk up front.
Perfect. With the scripts in hand, you convert them into assets. MyStack, GPT for content, Descript or Synthesia for short videos, Canva for slides and the workbook, Podia or Teachable for hosting, Stripe for payments, and Zapier or Make to glue it all together with a Notion page or Google Sheet as your student ledger.
Okay, show the Zap. I want it copy-paste ready.
Zap recipe, step by step. Trigger, Stripe payment received for product equals microcourse A. Action 1. Create student record in Google Sheets or Notion with name, email, and purchase ID. Action 2. Use the platform API to create a user and enroll them in the course. Action 3. Send a welcome email with a calendar link for an optional welcome call.
Wait, pause. What about time zones on that welcome call? If the calendar link doesn't detect the buyer's time zone, you'll get no-shows and frustration.
Yes, include automatic time zone detection in the email and use Calendly or Acuity set to display local slots. Good catch. Back to the Zap. Action 4. Add a delay for drip delivery. Unlock lesson 1 immediately, lesson 2 after 3 days, etc. Action 5. On course completion, trigger a PDF certificate generator and email it to the student. Final step. Add a tag to the student record for follow-up offers.
Nice. 2 other practical points. Make the welcome email personal. Use their name and the purchase detail. And keep an easy reply to that goes to a monitored mailbox or an assistant. Low-effort human touch reduces churn.
Exactly. Now monetization. If your Visa needs $1,500 per month, design bundles to hit that. Option A, $49 per month subscription times 50 subscribers equals $2,450. Option B, $199 one-time Evergreen sale plus a $99 per month templates or coaching upsell. Start with a one-time product and offer a paid pilot coaching bundle if demand shows up.
I'll push back on subscriptions. They require a predictable content cadence. If you promise monthly value, deliver monthly value. A new template, office hours, or a Q&A. If you can't commit, avoid recurring promises.
Totally agree. Start conservative, sell the Evergreen course, test demand, then invite a small group to a $99 per month pilot with clear deliverables. Email funnel examples: Day 0, subject, welcome, access your first lesson. Day 3, how to get 2x value from lesson 2. Day 7, offer, one-on-one strategy session for $99. Those simple lines get opens and clicks.
Let's cover the main risks and the minimal mitigations you can actually apply. Low-quality drafts? Do a 20-minute edit per lesson and add a real example. Copyright? Tell the AI to use public domain examples and flag verbatim text. Churn? Keep the welcome call and monitor completion metrics weekly.
Exactly. Tiny human effort prevents big problems. Now a practical 60-minute action plan so you leave your laptop with one lesson live. Step 0. Pick your narrow topic and audience. Step 1. 0 to 15 minutes. Run the market validation prompts and post the $5 test link. Step 2. 15 to 30 minutes. Run the blueprint prompt to generate lesson 1. Step 3, 30 to 50 minutes. Spend 20 minutes editing. Add a short anecdote and verify sources. Step 4, 50 to 60 minutes. Upload the lesson to Canva or Descript. Create a checkout and enable the Zop trigger. Then promote to one targeted community. You'll have a revenue signal within 48 hours.
If listeners want the exact prompts, a slide template, and the Zap recipes so they don't make rookie automation errors, Marcus has a compact kit that bundles all that. It's a time saver and reduces friction.
If you run this system, you'll automate enrollment, drip content, and certificate delivery, so the product earns while you travel. The kit includes downloadable prompts, a Canva slide pack, a Descript Synthesia short video template, and 2 Zap recipes you can paste into Zapier. Enroll now, and I'll open a limited onboarding session to help early adopters map their first app. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses.
One last practical note. Keep your edits human, run a quick plagiarism check, and measure engagement weekly. The tech scales. Your standards keep you profitable. Let's make this actually work for you.